So, it's new iPad day, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Apologies, I've been away for a little bit. I have been sick, as I'm sure you can hear it in me. I've been battling a bit of the flu, but we push on. So, here we are. The new iPad Pro and Magic Keyboard are here. So this is the 13-inch iPad Pro M4, and this is the new Magic Keyboard. And I will say, see, first off out the bat, this iPad feels lighter than this. This feels really, really heavy. So I'm intrigued to check these out. But listen, enough waffle from me. Let's get these open. This is my iPad Pro 13-inch M4. This is the 256 gig model because I don't really use a lot of storage. I use SSDs. It's all good. Ta-da! Oh my, this is ridiculous. Like, this is ridiculous. Ooh! A black braided USB-C cable. I like it. I like it. Let's just see. We got stickers. No stickers. Right. And that's what's in the box. Literally. For whatever amount of money I paid for it, that's all you get. So this is the Space Black iPad Pro. And oh baby. Oh baby. It is pretty. Now rest assured, I have my M1 iPad Pro here, so I will do some comparisons here. And there we go, there's that Space Black goodness from the iPad Pro. Lovely. First up, like, it is noticeable to me how thin this thing is compared to the previous one. If you just let me grab it, I have it here. And yeah, it is really, really noticeable. Like, look at them. Like, wow, that's crazy. I honestly do feel like I tweeted about it when they launched the new iPad, and I kind of made a joke of it, but I wasn't really joking either. I can see another bend gate coming. This thing is crazy, crazy thin, and things that are aluminium and thin bend. So yeah, that is crazy. I'm just curious to see. I'm not sure if I actually seen it on the day, so I want to see just what this thing weighs. So 583 grams. So let's just compare that to the M1. 687 grams. So just little under 100 grams of a difference. What? What? That's crazy. It's crazy just how thin this thing is. So if I just put the M4 down and then I put the M1 down. In terms of bezels, the bezels are very, very similar. It doesn't really seem as if there's much of a bezel reduction on the M4 as there is on the M1. I'm not sure if you can maybe see it under this lighting. The bezels kind of look to be the same. And if we just put these side by side without wrecking them, like the dimensions are pretty much exact, you know. So you've got the same body size, just different thinness, really. So yeah, that is crazy. Now, one thing I will say, I didn't get the new Apple Pencil Pro simply because I didn't really see the value in it. I have Apple Pencil 2nd gen with my M1, and I very rarely use it as it is, so I don't really see me using the Pro for anything more than what I'd be using this for. So I'll maybe pick it up further down the line, but for now I don't really see the point. So yeah, there we go, and there's our first look at the OLED display. Do you know what? I'm so happy to see these cameras in the right direction now. See, having to take a FaceTime call on my M1 and it just be like, yeah, it's the wrong way around. It's like, no, don't like it. Don't like it. So we'll set that to the side, and I want to get a look at the Magic Keyboard because, hands down, Magic Keyboard was my favorite accessory for the iPad Pro. I didn't even hesitate with this one. I was like, yeah, I need the Magic Keyboard because I can't function without the Magic Keyboard. So this is noticeably heavy. Now, the current Magic Keyboard is, is quite heavy anyway, and it is heavier feeling than the iPad, but I do notice a difference straight off the bat. So let's just compare these two. So this is the new Magic Keyboard. Now on the outside it looks very, very similar. Now excuse the look of this, but I think this will maybe give you a bit of testament to how well this has aged, because I've had this since 2018. So I mean, it's not in bad condition. The only thing I really do have is I have one little rip here in the bottom of it, which I honestly don't know how it happened, but that's just on the outside, and to be honest, it's a case, that's what it's supposed to do. And then on the inside, the keyboard, yeah, I haven't wiped it down lately, but see, with a wipe with a microfiber cloth, that cleans up really, really well, and it's still in really good condition. So yeah, so that's how my M1 version has fared. So let's just look at this new version then. And straight away, the first thing noticeable is this metal hinge. This is covered in silicone on the previous version. So this is just all aluminium, which is new. And that's going to get scuffed up like mad. I know that straight away. But let's have a look. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, no, that is nice. That is nice. Oh, wow. That is really, really nice. So we've got the same sort of Swedish type material there for the back. We've got our dock connector there, charged through USB-C. But this is all aluminium, and it feels really, really nice. It feels really nice. And look at these function keys. I'm so happy. One thing I'm sure that you're all wondering, and I'm wondering as well, will the new Magic Keyboard fit the M1 iPad Pro and vice versa? Well, let's find out. There's the M1 iPad Pro. We'll just pop it on there. Nope, we won't. It won't fit. Oh, sneaky. Apple, that's sneaky. So what I would assume they have done here is that they've changed the magnet layout. So if I just grab my trusty magnet paper. So there's the M4. So if we just have a wee look here. So there's magnets there. And magnets there. So, and if we look at the previous version. The magnets seem to be in the same place. No bueno. No bueno. And then if we take the M4 iPad Pro and we try it on the old keyboard, again, yeah, they're actually the opposite magnets, so I can actually feel it repel on the iPad. So sneaky, Apple, sneaky. But there you go. So that should answer your question. Will the old Magic Keyboard fit your new iPad and vice versa? Nope, it won't fit. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. Oh, feel the haptics. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Let me grab the mic. That's so awesome. And I have just discovered as well, once again, Apple, very, very sneaky. My current Apple Pencil is not compatible. Again, different magnets. That sucks. So I'm gonna have to buy the Apple Pencil Pro, even though I won't use the half of the technology that's in it, rather than just be able to reuse my old pencil. That really sucks. Yeah, I'm disappointed about that. Am I surprised? No, but I'm disappointed, because that's now another 130 quid that I'm going to have to fork out for a pencil that I only really use sometimes. So yeah, that sucks. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the new M4 iPad Pro. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Keep it locked on the channel. I am going to do a full review and comparison of the M4 iPad Pro. I will compare it with my M1. And I will do a full review and comparison, and we'll basically find out is it worth buying? And yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go get this set up, but stay tuned, and if you want some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.